For this problem, we want to write a direct variation equation that relates the variables, and then we're going to graph that equation. It says roasted cashews are $5.98 per pound. The total cost of P pounds is C. So as far as writing our equation, it's C equals, how much is it per pound? Well, it's $5.98 per pound, so it's $5.98 times the number of pounds, which is P. So that's our equation that we want to go with. Now, to graph this equation, we'll need to find a couple of points. We can pick any p-value and put it in and find our c. If we put 0 in here, we'd have 598 times 0 equals c, and then 0 times anything is 0, so we'd have a c of 0. So as far as our points, we would have a 0.00 on this graph. Now if we put just one other point in, once we have 2 points, we have enough to graph it. So let's put in the point, the value of, let's put in 1 for p. So in place of p in the original equation, we're going to replace it with 1. So we'll have c equals 598 times 1, and 598 times 1, that's 598. So we have the point 1, 5.98. Now when we go to graph these, we should have a point 0, 0, and a point 1, 598. So obviously the first choice A is not it. If we go to B, we should have still again the point 0, 0 and the point 1, 598, or just about 6. So for our choice to be correct, it has to have both points 0, 0, 1, 598, and it has to have this equation. When we look at choices B and C, the graphs are the same, but the equations are different. C is the one that has the correct equation as well as the correct graph.